Samsung's latest flagship models, including the Galaxy S24 Ultra, come equipped with UFS 4.0 flash storage. This provides fast and responsive performance, enabling seamless multitasking and high-resolution, high-frame rate recording. However, the increasing use of on-device AI features is expected to push the performance limits of current flash memory. To address this, Samsung is anticipated to upgrade to UFS 4.1 storage in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Surveyor Galaxy on X has indicated that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will include UFS 4.1 storage, though it remains unclear if this technology will extend to the more budget-friendly variants in the Galaxy S25 series. Unfortunately, the specific speed improvements of UFS 4.1 over UFS 4.0 have not been disclosed. This selective upgrade strategy is likely a cost-saving measure by Samsung, and it's possible the company will continue this practice with the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus. As on-device AI features become more prevalent, increased RAM and faster storage will be crucial. It seems that the future will look promising as the Samsung is expected to introduce significant upgrades with the Galaxy S25 Ultra's cameras. According to reliable tipster Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will retain its quad-camera setup, but will upgrade two of the cameras with larger and higher-resolution sensors. The tipster revealed on Chinese microblogging site Weibo that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel super telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. If this information is accurate, Samsung will be enhancing all the rear cameras on the Galaxy S25 Ultra with newer, higher-resolution sensors. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel super telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. Details about the cameras on the standard Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus remain unclear. The Galaxy S25 series is expected to be announced early next year. In addition to improved cameras, the Galaxy S25 series is anticipated to bring noticeable design changes, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, and One UI 7 software based on Android 15. Some devices in the series might also feature a new Exynos processor, possibly the Exynos 2500, using newer CPU cores from ARM and Samsung Foundry's second-generation 3nm process. This new chipset is rumored to be designed from the ground up for high performance and efficiency, with features tailored specifically for Galaxy devices. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.